Introduction to Safety and Maintenance. Topics to be covered in this module: automotive maintenance safety, hair and clothing, accidents and hazardous chemicals, lifting points, emergency procedures, commonly used tools. Summary: automotive maintenance safety. It can be easy to be overconfident or too cautious when first confronted by the intricate engineering in a car engine. But above all else, consideration should be given to safety. Components can be deceptively heavy, and the automobile itself has a myriad of moving parts that can trap digits, graze the skin, or cause other injuries. So, when working on a car, whether it is in a garage, workshop, or lay-by, you should use common sense and practice these simple rules. Never perform significant work alone if possible, especially when it involves weight or constriction. Keep clear of moving parts, even when the car is idle. Wear appropriate clothing and body protection. Avoid contact with noxious fuel, fumes, or lubricant, and keep cleaning materials nearby. Have easy access to first aid equipment. Never perform work under the car unless it is adequately supported by trusted equipment. Keep fire prevention devices and emergency services contacts nearby. Check the approved manual for your specific vehicle to ensure that you are fully prepared. Hair and clothing. As mentioned in the previous slide, consideration of sensible clothing should be given when performing mechanical work on a car. The same kind of thought should be given to hair during any kind of close contact work with an automobile or engine. So, it makes sense to follow these guidelines before starting jobs on a vehicle. Keep long hair tied back or contained under a cap. Be aware of any loose strands that could become trapped or entangled in moving parts. Don't wear necklaces, rings, or other jewelry during work.